5 outlets.
If you guys look really closely, those are feelers.
Wow, dude, look at that tank just lighting.
Oh, this fish right here, it's called a gem tank.
That's trippy, bro. Look at that. And then we're gonna put this in the car. How much? That'll probably fit, right?
All right, he's got the kryptonite candy cane coral.
Oh, turn the saw on.
Here. Saw it.
Oh, lordy. What is going on, Cuffaros? Welcome back to another video here. Today, we're here with George.
What's up, guys?
Hey, this has been a long time thing.
I know.
You know, a lot of people have wanted us to collab. Like, it's been a long time.
I've been watching the comments for years. People just want, Cuffaro, George, Corefish 12G collab. It's happening today.
It's happening. We're here strictly to let you know, one, this is gonna be an absolute banger, but we're doing a massive meet and greet.
Yeah, it's huge.
Aqua Shella 2021, June 12th and the 13th. George and myself.
15 different creators. A lot of your favorite creators from YouTube are gonna be at Aqua Shella this weekend.
It's going to be insane. Tickets are available down below. We're gonna head in the shop after you introduce us to your buddy here.
Scuba Steve. All right,
Scuba
guys.
Steve.
How you doing? This is the owner of the fish store and coral farm we're about to enter. We call him Scuba Steve on my channel.
Yeah.
So I think
Steve.
we should call him Scuba Steve on your channel.
Yes,
as well.
100%.
Sure.
So we have not only this place to go in.
This is the fish store
Yeah.
that everyone, it's open to the general public.
Yeah.
But then after this, we're gonna get a tour of the farm, which is closed, it's private. So that's where they grow all of their like massive coral, and you'll only be able to see that on your channel. So.
There you go, Cuffaros. It's gonna be an epic video. Stay tuned, stick along. Let's get it. Orange filter's on. Oh yeah. Wait, this is way bigger than I thought.
Oh, there's gonna be a lot of fish and a lot of coral today, guys. So
What the heck? Wait a second.
Wait till you get to the farm.
What? This
Yeah.
is the. That's trippy, bro. Look at that. I need one that fits my camera.
At Aqua Shella, when you buy a ticket,
Yeah.
each ticket comes with a wristband, a festival wristband, and a pair of glasses that do this.
Glasses with this?
Yeah.
Comes with a ticket?
Yes. Yeah.
We'll get your tickets, Cuffaros. What are you waiting for?
And when you use the glasses and you walk through the convention, you'll be able to see all the
Trying to
colors.
get the glasses on here. Oh, we're set now. Oh, I'm in a whole nother world.
Well, you'll get a bunch of pairs that
Look at that. I'm actually gonna have the location to this store in the description. That way, if you are local here, you can actually come and get the Aqua Shella tickets here instead of having to get them online, or you can just get them online. So we're officially inside. This is the retail store. We're actually, like I mentioned, going to go over to the private warehouse where all this, you know, coral's grown and all that. For now, this is just the retail store, and there's a lot to it. Now the shelves are absolutely booked full. You got your fish food here. I mean, anything you could possibly think of on the walls over here. All this is coral. Another thing that's different about today is not only we're with George, we're with Scuba Steve, and Scuba Steve owns this place, and he's gonna tell us all about everything that's in here, at least the more interesting stuff. Oh my gosh, dude, there's so much. Let's go meet up with the boys and get going. Let's get going.
And then we're super safe.
Crazy.
We have Eddie hanging new lights.
How's it going, Eddie? All right, look at this rock. That's nuts. Wait, that's like already made, or is it pieces?
Oh, it's made. Like that's one structure, all made.
Oh wow. Oh wow.
Yeah. So Kevin, which is my business partner, he makes these by hand, and we ship them across the country. So he'll spend like 6 hours putting that together.
We could do a massive custom build for you.
Yeah.
Well, I got the new house.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying.
I would love to do something like that.
Okay. 30,000 likes.
30,000.
Paul's gonna come back, and Scuba Steve and I are gonna get him
custom.
Whoa.
What?
I think I need like 40 or 50,000 likes. 35 is not enough. Like,
Listen, we could probably pull off.
$40,000, so.
Is it really?
Yeah, after it's all set up and done, oh yeah, 40 easy. I mean,
my
just the
gosh.
tank alone is 6,000, 7,000. The rock structure is 3,000.
Oh my
and that's
gosh.
not
Oh
including
wow.
equipment.
Oh wow. That's too much to change for me.
Hold on.
Smash the like button. I think the like button is very important here because that
Hey,
means
can we
you enjoyed the
smash
video.
the-
Smash the like button as hard as they're hitting that hammer back there.
This is his fish
Look at this.
room.
Oh my gosh.
This is the
Sorry.
fish room. So this is
Get
where they
distracted.
keep all the crazy exotic saltwater fish. There's fish in these two rows. Like the rows may look small, but the fish that are in here are worth like thousands of dollars. So what kind of
there's cheap fish, but
There's
yes,
some cheap fish too.
There's rare fish.
But there's very rare and expensive fish in this store. This is like one of my favorites, like the harlequin.
I love the colors.
Yeah.
Dude, this tank itself is super cool. Now, is that just PVC like glued together?
what we do, because we put
It
a lot
looks
of
really good.
Yeah, we put a lot of fish in here, and to keep the aggression down so they're not fighting, we put PVC in here so they can kind of hide it.
Yeah. That looks really good.
Chill.
Oh, I love that.
That is an emperor angel juvenile
Yeah,
changing to
juvenile, 'cause
adult.
they change, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Paul, this fish right here is called a gem tank. the big one
Yeah.
with the white spots. It's called a gem tank for a reason. This thing sells for $1,000.
No way.
Yes, they're very rare. They come from Southeast Asia, and
They used to be $4,000 and $5,000,
Yeah.
but it's become a little bit more easier to get them, so the price is driven down a little bit as well. So
Oh my goodness, dude.
yeah.
all of the rarest designer clownfish as well. So like you're used to seeing normal clownfish like this.
Yeah.
But look at, these are the types of clowns Steven's got. These are called Mocha Storm clownfish. They call that because they look like little stormtroopers, you know,
I think
from
I've
Star
seen
Wars.
one of those before.
Yeah. Oh, so these are really cool. I think these are the Naked Reese's clownfish. They're called naked because they don't have any stripes. And they're called Reese's because they're all black.
One of my favorite fish. This is called the Achilles tang. So these only come from Hawaii on $450. He's
Oh
not
my
cheap.
gosh, dude.
We do have $20 and $30 fish.
Yes,
so
there is.
we are pointing out some of the very rares of the rare. So
I mean, there's endless stuff.
Oh, yeah,
You can
so
look
this
down
is
here.
really-
Oh my gosh, what is that? A little grunt.
You got the dory fish, which is the blue
Yeah.
hippo tang.
purple
Yeah.
tang.
I love it, dude. I love the big
Oh, look at
stuff.
this fish right here.
It's called the yellow tang.
It's a yellow tang.
This yellow fish is called the yellow tang. They're very well known because of the movie Finding Nemo. They were in the Finding
Yeah.
Nemo tank. Now, the only place you would get these in the world was from Hawaii. But recently Hawaii shut down, and so you could no longer get these yellow tangs anymore. Instantly, this fish went from being $60 to like $300, $400, $500 because no one could get them anymore. Now, there is a company here in Florida that actually had been doing the research for years on how to breed this fish. Now they are the only ones that know how to breed them. So this fish does not come from the ocean. It was farmed in captivity, which is great.
Like the
because,
clownfish, yeah.
Yeah, like the clownfish, because then it means you don't have to take it from the ocean.
Yeah.
And so when you're buying a fish like this, you're buying a fish that actually,
Captive raised.
yeah, captive
Yeah.
raised, and it prefers to be in an aquarium because that's all it knows.
We put seaweed on a piece of PVC and we hang it, and what it does is it kind of makes them so they're not bored. You
Yeah.
know, it gives them a little
Oh,
bit of
they're
time to
definitely not
like,
bored. Look at them.
yeah. It gives them a little bit more of a challenge, a little bit like, you know, natural instead of
It's
just
like a
putting a
game.
piece of seaweed in there. So
It's interactive and it stimulates the fish a little bit as well. So it's
That
good.
is
It gives
so
them
dope.
yeah, and then so the cool thing, we don't know about this, but this angel fish, the yellowish one right there,
Yep.
we don't know what it is. So it's a hybrid. We don't know what it's crossed with. It is not a queen angel. So
I mean, look at
we
it.
thought it was a queen angel, but we don't know what it
insane.
is. So
That's the one, right?
Yeah, we've had a couple experts come in. We sent pictures too, so we're trying to classify it now to figure out what kind of fish exactly it is.
You could have a one and only world.
Yeah, it could be. It could be.
Yeah, one only world.
We don't know.
Is that not for sale then?
It's not actually. Look, see.
Yeah, look.
So we're moving over to,
Another gem.
yeah, here's another gem. The light over here is really good. You see these fish in Florida all the time.
this
These
is
are the filefish.
Oh yeah, man. When I did the seaweed video, I just did that seaweed video and they were all over the place.
Mustard tang, one of my favorite. This fish is, look how colorful it is. It's gorgeous. It's one of my favorites.
That is so pretty. Pipefish?
Yeah,
those
little
are pipefish.
Yeah.
I've seen those too. But that's like really, really cool.
These are really cute.
These are awesome.
These are little yellow cucumbers. So these are great for like eating algae and doing like cleanup crew maintenance on your tank.
It's a bunch of invertebrates.
Give it a little.
Yeah, give it a little touch for the camera. Watch it just. Oh, it already went in.
No, but there's another one.
There's another one open. That's cool.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, what is that?
That is a sea apple from Indonesia. They're really, really cool. They're an invert actually, and if you look at it, like it opens up like a flower almost on the end.
Yeah,
so
it
it's
looks
really,
like-
really cool.
It also can contain a very not deadly, but a,
No, it can wipe out a tank. Like if it dies, like we only recommend this for people that have established tanks that are very healthy, because if this dies, not if it dies, but if it dies and sits in the tank and it rots for like a long time, it can kill everything else in the tank. So
it releases like a
Yeah.
toxin.
That's really nice.
That's a tube anemone.
That's cool. Looks like it would sting you.
one thing about Top Shelf too is we're really trying within a couple of years to be 100% sustainable. That means we're not collecting anything from the wild as far as corals.
Yeah.
So what we've done, and you guys will see in another video, is the coral farm.
Yep.
So at our store, we actually have 2 rows. One row is 100% sustainable corals. These are all corals that we've 100% aquaculture. They're pest free. They're used to synthetic lighting, synthetic water, and that's going to be this row. And then the other row, that can be some farm corals, but those are going to be corals that we might bring in, or some trades from other customers, or they come in from the wild. But we're really trying to get it 100% sustainable, and that's been kind of the new goal. So it's one system, it's all aquaculture. The other one is not quarantine, I guess. If you guys look really closely, those are feelers. So that's the coral actually looking for food. So it's putting out little clear feelers all the way around, and it's collecting food. That could also be a defense mechanism too, so it can actually sting a coral, and or something touches it can actually sting it, which is really cool.
So these are really popular in the hobby right now. They're called Goniopora flower pot corals, and look, it's just like all pink, and it's just waving like crazy.
So that's literally 600 bucks, that thing.
Yeah.
You could drop some bands in this place, man. Holy moly.
That's crazy looking. This
There's
one in
even
the
a
corner is
clownfish in
really
here.
popping.
This clownfish is
Oh
in
yeah.
heaven.
He's like, oh yeah, this is my house. Ain't nobody coming in.
Wow, dude, look at that tank just lighting up.
Yeah.
Dude,
Down
that
in the
looks
Keys, you
insane.
can
That looks
collect
just
all
insane.
All of that is from Florida, so kind of by where you're at, down south a little bit.
Wow, dude, that's so cool.
Some other cool corals are zoanthids, which are these like little flower-like ones.
Pretty clean that, dude. It's like George wiped it with his
Well, I've used
butt,
it for a long
dude.
time, dude.
Dude, George, come on, bud.
I film a lot of corals, so my lenses are a little scratched.
It's almost like you wiped your nose with it.
Literally, there's.
I'm sorry, Cuffaros. That lens was all up on
Yeah,
them,
there
dude.
was so much snot on there. Oh wow, I can actually see now. Look at
I'm
that.
not used to the Florida climate, guys. My nose runs a little more than that.
Look, they carry API here. Hey, API, you know, it's a big sponsor of the channel. Shout out to API, I always shout them out when I see them. I mean, come on now, eh? I've done like a lot of tours, like all around the country. Not as much as you, listen, I know. You freaking travel to Europe and film aquarium stores. I have filmed like a lot of different stores. This is the nicest. I have OCD, like major OCD. So it's like, when I look at a store and it's this neat, it's like I'm in heaven. So I'm definitely leaving here with this today. So if you want to get this, Cuffaros, we got a new tank, and not only toured this entire place, thanks for showing us around. We got a new tank, so this is gonna be super cool. I think I'm gonna do
Salt on both.
Yeah, I'm gonna have
Reef and a predator, but it's so small.
yeah, it's
though.
kind of
so
tiny.
small.
That's good for a mantis shrimp, huh?
Would it fit? Would it fit? Actually, this I have.
This is so cool.
No, hold on. I gotta veto this hard. This is the worst possible tank for a mantis shrimp. I'll tell you why. Because
You'll be aggressive and
No.
flick the glass.
yeah, mantis shrimp.
Oh, you could see through.
Yeah.
I thought it was black.
Mantis shrimp break glass, and really the only times that they've done it is when two tanks are right next to each other. Because when two
Well, I thought the center was, see how it looks black? I thought it was black.
when you have
Completely
two
blocked
pieces of
out.
I mean, it
glass-
would be a good video.
Yeah,
it's
mantis
not
shrimp
gonna-
breaks the glass. Or we could do something like this, where we actually just get the mantis shrimp. This could be really cool. Like, I've never had a mantis shrimp.
A mantis shrimp would
And
be
I think the
actually-
Cuffaros would absolutely love a mantis shrimp. Would you want a mantis shrimp? Comment down below. I'm pretty sure you would.
mantis shrimp would look really epic in this tank because it's got so much like
I would do-
floor room
I
for
would
him
do-
to roam
Yeah,
around.
dude. I would just do, like, even that structure in there is cool. Mantis shrimp, you want a lot of, like, where they can hide in it, though, right?
Yeah, and they just need a lot of space where they can walk around and stuff. So
Well, all right. Well, we got this tank. We're gonna have to load that in the car. I brought the car. It's gonna be real tight. And then we're gonna put this in the car. How much? That'll probably fit, right?
Yeah, we can put it right on the top.
On the
Some
roof?
straps.
Yeah, the strap. We can strap it down all day. How much does it weigh? 4 pounds?
could I fit in there, Steve?
You could.
You could ride home with me inside.
How many does he need? So
We're trying to figure out every way we possibly can to get this for 0 cost. Instagram followers, likes on the video, coupon codes. What can we do here?
We'll do a really badass take for you.
Yeah, we'll start from here. Smash the like button. That's that. And then we'll see how much likes this gets. And I can always come back and we'll work something else out.
and comment. You must comment Scuba Steve down below.
Scuba Steve. Comment Scuba Steve,
Okay.
screenshot his face and post it all over Instagram.
Oh jeez.
That's
Say-
already happening.
Say Scuba Steve. Tag Top Shelf Aquatics on Instagram. Get Paul this tank. Scuba Steve.
Boom, that's it. This has been an absolute epic video. If you guys enjoyed, smash the like button again. We're gonna need all the likes we can on this video. We'll definitely be back here to do some more epic stuff with them. The new house is gonna bring a lot of cool content with this and that mixed together. The fish room, which has electricity being done to it as we speak. Roll the clip. There where that's marked. So it'll be a total of 1, 2, 3, 5 outlets with 4 plugs in each. Okay, yeah. It's already done, actually, as a matter of fact, so all the fish tanks can be transferred there, which I'm super stoked for. And we're gonna try to figure out something with all this. By the way, this scratch, yeah, that's from the dog in the pool. The dog jumped on my face, literally. An epic store for sure. So much cool stuff. I mean, It's endless, and over here is the tanks. Subscribe below if you are new. Don't want to miss any of this stuff, I promise you that. Thanks to Scuba Steve for showing us around. George, thank you so much, man.
Always.
And now we're gonna go to the fish and coral. Is it just
It's
fish?
just coral.
Coral.
No, there's fish there
There's
too.
fish, but it's coral.
We're gonna go to the farm.
Coral farm.
All right, he's got the kryptonite candy cane coral.
Oh, turn the saw on.
Here. Salt it.
Oh lordy. Which is right across the street. So I'm gonna pick up there in the next video, which I'll post tomorrow because your boy's grinding. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out. Jesus sandals.
Use the takes if we need it.
Do we need takes?
We probably need. I mean, I do takes. I'm bad. I'm bad on camera.
I just go straight raw.
See, yeah, because he's a natural. He's like, Paul can do this. Paul can like literally film his toenails and it'll get so many views.
No.
Yes.
Toenails, maybe toes.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Your toes.